Hi guys, another video. So this one is particularly interesting looking at ice road truckers, and since we've been talking about pressure, force and area, I thought I'd share a little scenario and I'm going to highlight the science behind why this truck's about to go into the ice. Okay, now at this point here, even though the trucks are on ice, you can see that there are larger tyres at the back and slightly smaller ones at the front. I'll see if I can zoom that in. So larger tyres at the back and smaller ones at the front. Because there are smaller tyres at the front, there is the same amount of force, obviously as the weight spread out, but over a smaller area. Therefore, there's more pressure being applied in the front tyres. So if any of these tyres was to give, it was more likely to be the front one. Let's have a watch. And as predicted, it was the front tyre what went in, and that was because there was, see if I can pan out a little bit, there was more pressure being applied in that one spot. Now eventually, I'll just knock the volume down on this as I'm explaining the science. Eventually this truck is towed out, and the reason why the towing out works is because even though you might think, oh well, is that not going to drag it further into the ice, the thing that's actually being used to tow it is spreading their pressure across the different tires, which means that when that's moving forward and trying to pull that massive truck, it's sharing its own weight over the very large tires. The risk that they run is by pulling that extra weight, they're then applying more force than that they were going to sink. But if you look here, okay, some obviously traction issues, but yeah, managed to tow it out and then obviously spread the weight across, and then the truck's going and the tow's going as well. Okay, so if you're ever in doubt, large chunky tires are best in winter as opposed to skinny sort of pointy ones.